Good morning guys! For today's video, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano ba mag-apply ng agricultural free patent. Ang free patent application is a mode of acquiring ownership of a certain parcel of alienable and disposable land. Una, kailangan mo mag-accomplish ng free patent application na makukuha mo sa concerned CNR office ng inyong lugar. Pangalawa, kailangan mong mag-present ng notarized special power of attorney in case the application is filed by a representative. Kung hindi ikaw ang may-ari ng lupa, mag-present ka muna ng special power of attorney. Pangatlo, kailangan may tax declaration ka in the name of the applicant. And if the tax declaration is in the name of the applicant's predecessors of interest, any of the following documents shall be presented. Una, kung ito man ay nabili mo, kailangan mo mag-present ng deed of sale. Tapos kung may extrajudicial settlement ang lupa na yan, i-present mo rin. Tapos waiver of rights doon sa nabilihan mo ng lupa. Tapos deed of donation, kung meron man. Tapos mag-request ka din ng certification of land status from the Land Registration Authority doon sa central office natin sa Quezon City if the municipality is under the cadastral proceedings, such as the municipality of Baybay. Ang ibang munisipyo within the 5th district, dito lang sa office ng DNR Central Baybay kukuha ng certification of land status. Tapos magdala ka rin ng documentary stamp. Tapos copy of the approved survey plan. Tapos technical description, makukuha mo ito sa CNR office. Tapos certification that the land is alienable and disposable. So, yun lang guys.